Hey, welcome back, everyone. Now it's time for a little something we're calling the Girlfriend's Guide to Aesthetics. So we're doing a 3-part series on everything you would want to know if you wanted to do a little cosmetic refresh, but you really weren't sure where to start. So we are kicking things off today with non-invasive. Tomorrow we'll chat minimally invasive, and then on Wednesday we are talking surgeries. Okay, if you want to indulge in some self-care but want to make sure you're getting the best treatment for your time and money, you'd ask around, right? Maybe you'd ask a friend who is an RN, an injector, and her husband who is a board-certified plastic surgeon. So today, we are bringing those friends to you. Let's welcome in Carrie Duber and Dr. Mark Duber, owners and operators of Lemon Avenue Plastic Surgery and Laser Center. Okay, that's a mouthful.
I know. Thank you so much for having us.
Okay.
We're excited to be here.
Wait, some of us in the studio were talking about this, and we're like, what's the latest things? What are people doing? And I'm like, we should really ask somebody who knows.
There's a lot, you know?
And for
hard
people
to
like
unpack.
Who work and don't have downtime, who are like, wait, I can't have a couple weeks off for a deep plane facelift that I want.
Right.
What can I do in a day? I've been hearing about salmon sperm.
Yeah, well, actually, I did it yesterday so that you could see. I got mesoneedling with PDRN, which is salmon sperm.
Polydeoxyribonucleic
Yeah.
nucleotide.
This is why we brought the doctor.
Yeah, that's right.
PDRN. So it's actually like a DNA chain that comes from a salmon. And what it does, you use mesoneedling, which is really, really light microneedling. So microneedling I'm sure you've heard of.
Yes.
It's heavier.
So to back up, it's been used in a long time in medicine. Orthopedic surgeons use it, and they use it, and it aids in wound healing and tissue regeneration.
And now face healing.
So,
Because it's great for building collagen and elastin.
Wow. So you did it yesterday?
Yesterday
You're on TV
afternoon.
today.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we use it also in a little bit more invasive treatments. We use it in laser treatments, and we use it even after surgery sometimes, but you can use it and you can deliver it into your tissue with something called mesoneedling, which is even finer than microneedling. So
just doesn't go as
pretty
deep.
painless, but
Okay,
it creates
pretty
these little
painless.
tiny tissue channels. I've had it done. If I can have it done, it's painless.
If he can do it,
I've
anyone
done
can do it.
The duo.
She's done it. You're a little red for half a day, and that's
Yeah,
it.
but literally you can't see anything.
Okay,
I had
I'm
it done
into
yesterday.
this. Okay, I'm loving this. Now, I want to talk about some of the devices. I think it's also really intimidating. You look at a website of a plastic surgery center in MedSpa, and you're like, what even is this? So what are some of the latest devices that you think are really worth it?
I feel like, there is a lot, so you have to unpack that, and you have to really trust the providers that you go to. We have the Wonder Touch, which is really cool. It's radio frequency that actually it warms the skin and it heats it so much that it actually tightens
Yeah,
it.
so radio frequency is something that's been around for a while, and there's things like Morpheus, and those are very painful treatments, and people want them, and then they're like, oh my God, that really hurt.
Like
the Wonder Touch, it feels like a massage. It actually, the practitioner wears electrodes, and then you have a grounding pad, and she massages your skin, and it just does a very, very mild radio frequency microneedling. 5 or 6 treatments.
Yeah, and also you could do something like an Ultra. Ultra is a very low level laser that you're not going to have a whole lot of downtime. So we really customize everything at Lemon Avenue for the patient and their downtime.
Okay, what was the name of the one you just said?
Ultra.
Wonder and then Ultra.
Wonder Touch. Ultra.
Okay, this is like another language, you guys.
I know.
But I'm loving it.
That's
this is why it's so interesting. And what does the Ultra do?
It just really actually kind of just takes, it does deliver a little bit of energy, but it doesn't go super deep.
Okay.
So it just really makes you...
I mean, it smooths your skin, it smooths fine lines, just ever so slightly, but it's not like your grandmother's laser that burned her face off and she
like
needed
they used to do
bandages
those
for 2 weeks.
full field CO2s.
That's
like
still
that's
what I
not
think of.
that's
Okay.
not
Yeah,
really
we're going
the
to talk
thing
about
anymore.
that,
Okay,
I
yes,
think in another
coming up.
segment too.
Yeah.
Well, thank you both. So again, they're from Lemon Avenue Plastic Surgery in Dallas, which we will link at cw33.com.